Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify Zendesk for Shopify customer support automation, full guide step by step clearly. To verify Zendesk for Shopify customer support automation, begin by logging into your Zendesk account. Navigate to the admin panel located in the sidebar. Select the channels option and then click on API from the drop-down menu. Within the API settings, locate the Token Access section. Ensure that token access is enabled for your account. Next, click on Add API Token to generate a new token. In the pop-up window, provide a name for your token for easy identification. Once the token is generated, copy it securely, as it will not be shown again. Now, log into your Shopify account and go to the admin dashboard. Select Apps from the sidebar, then click on Visit Shopify App Store. Click on Add App to begin the installation process. You will be prompted to authenticate with your Zendesk credentials. Enter your Zendesk subdomain in the required field. Next, input the API token you previously generated. Once you've entered this information, click on Authenticate. After successful authentication, you will be decide which features you want to integrate between Zendesk and Shopify. Enable options such as ticketing and customer information sharing as needed. Once you've made your selections, save the settings. To ensure everything is working, create a test ticket within your Zendesk account. Check that the ticket reflects the information sent from Shopify. Finally, monitor your integration regularly to manage customer inquiries effectively. With these steps, you'll have completed the verification process for Zendesk in your Shopify store. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.